I'm Tom Krieger, founder of Hinges and Handles. Hinges and Handles is all about unlimited hardware possibilities. We have rustic, contemporary, traditional, ultra-traditional, and eclectic style hardware. Here we have cabinet hardware for furniture and reproduction hardware for doors. Tell me how you want your hook. I bet I have a hook. We also have a wide range of furniture locks. If you look, just a sampling. Hardware for antique ice boxes and Hoosier cabinets, antique cupboards. We have decorative door hardware. Matter of fact, we've just installed an M-Tech, where this is a work in progress, flagship showroom display. We're going to be putting the M-Tech barn door hardware in. We've always carried Baldwin hardware, which has been a staple. French country. Pretty unusual. Antique style hardware is there as well. Stair rods. Cabinet hardware of all sorts. We also carry a wide range of hardware for our discontinued SKUs from Bellwith and Amarok specifically. We stock them. A lot of nooks and crannies. Mailboxes, house numbers, architectural signage, door knockers, dog door knockers, lion door knockers, pineapples, birds, baskets, fish, architectural signage. Do a wide range of decorative registers as well, in unusual sizes. Towel bars, switch plates. This is a range of custom registers we do. Whatever size, we can have the border, custom sized. We've done some 4-footers. Barn door hardware, which is a huge category. Combination lock for a barn door application. Keyed lock for barn door application. Privacy lock for barn door application. Unusual sizes, configurations, and we're constantly adding to this category specifically. It's super, super hot. And we always keep space open so we can add, because we're constantly adding. Companies are going away. And we try to keep all the major lines of hardware on display. Always a lot. If we do a line, we do it big. We also do decorative rural mailboxes. We have our mailbox courtyard outside, a wide range of decorative rural mailboxes as well. Hand forged hardware. Decorative cabinet. Now next, I think I'll take you to my antique collections upstairs. Boy, do I have a lot of antique hardware. Follow me. when we say hinges and handles, I have a lot of hinges too. Boy, do I have hinges. Follow me. We're going to my antique hardware. As we go up, this is kind of the entry to my antique hardware area. You go through. Look at these. Amazing things. Antique window hardware, antique door, antique cabinet, antique builder's hardware. Look at these. These are in the original packages, and this is before they had magnetic catches. Pretty cool. Mark's Hardware, half surface hinges. A lot of places, they don't even know we have surface hinges, what a half surface hinge is. We have a whole area of half surface hinges. More antique hinges, antique Sargent hardware. I am positive I have one of the best ranges of antique Sargent parts around. Iron. I'm reorganizing my antique lock bodies, but I have a huge range of antique lock bodies. Huge. Matter of fact, it's right here, and I have so many that I'm actually creating back stock. And here I have. This is an antique that actually came from the Chicago City Hall. I bought from a dealer in Iowa. It has the seal of the city of Chicago right here. Amazing piece. Just looking for the right home. There we go. Matter of fact, in the world of antique furniture hardware, we also have a huge range of that. I mean, like ring pulls. Matter of fact, let's go back this way. Over here, a lot of unusual pieces, 5-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch. We're actually expanding this as well because I've acquired quite a bit more. I tell you, in this business, the stuff's coming in and it's going out, and it's exciting and it's fun. Matter of fact, let's go back out to the shop. It's another thing that makes hinges and handles unusual. And we have a back shop here where we do restoration of hardware. We polish the antique. We have projects going constantly. Matter of fact, here's where we polish and our spray booth. And the things that we sell, I keep all of the parts on hand. All the different, long screws for MTech hardware, long screws for Baldwin hardware, spindles. I love my parts, and that's what keeps jobs going, and that's why people seek me out. And here's some more stuff that I'm digesting. More antique mortise locks. Matter of fact, here we have more of my locks. Look at all those locks up there. Got a lot of books in this business too. Lots of books. Matter of fact, let's go downstairs. Why not? I want to show you everything. Here we go downstairs. Look at these lion ring pulls. Where do you find that? Big ones. Not door knockers. Those are ring pulls for furniture. Now here we are downstairs, our keying area. We do locksmithing for our various things we sell. I keep latches, extended lip strike plates for locks. I got some monsters too. Matter of fact, let me show you. I got a monster one here. Like this one. The 4-incher. That's crazy. And like, yeah, let's see if I have it handy. Oh yeah. That's right. Radius corner. I got them with custom bends too. Extended lip T-strikes. And strike plates. I have strike plates, and more strike plates. But you gotta have them. Baldwin. And you know, some people, they talk hardware, they may have a little on hand. I have a lot on hand. I have a lot of hardware on hand. If I have enough time, I'll take you upstairs to where I keep my Amarok collections. Let's go back upstairs. Carpe Diem, Zero Designs, all the major lines. If it's a major line and I don't carry it, I'll tell you why. Now, here we go. Going upstairs to my Amarok collections. Oh yeah, here we go. Remember I talked about Amarok discontinued SKUs. I have discontinued hardware like no other. And I carry quite a few very unusual configurations and styles. Switch plates they made back in the 60s and 40s. These old Bakelite plastic switch plates that are brand new, unused. Unusual configurations. I even have hardware that's like plexiglass. Unusual plexiglass from like the 60s. Big square knobs. Plexiglass is coming back too. Case in point, All Notice came out with a plexiglass line, and Shaw just came out with a plexiglass line as well. Well, when it comes to unlimited hardware possibilities, walking around the store here, hopefully I gave you a kind of an introduction of what we're all about. So I look forward to seeing you or talking to you soon and discussing what unlimited hardware possibilities is all about. Thanks for coming to the store.